having some fun singing and dancing. Coosa Elementary School is celebrating Black History Month. The Hallelujah Singers took part in the school-wide assembly, singing several songs. There were lots of student performances as well. A group of African drummers took to the stage to play a song. As they were drumming, they were also speaking another language.
Goma ya Kilimanjaro. It's about the dance of the Kilimanjaro. We were speaking Swahili. Goma ya Kilimanjaro, and it means the dance of the Kilimanjaro.
The Coosa Chorus also came together to sing a song.
It's called Lift Every Voice and Sing. I like it because it expresses how it was back then, they were trying to escape slavery and have freedom. It mostly talks about that, marching on.
And the school's drama club put on a special performance, highlighting several influential African Americans throughout history.
The play was about famous African American people doing important parts of the world. I was Maya Angelou, and I was reading a poem about how life doesn't frighten me at all.
The Black History Month celebration was about 45 minutes long. At Coosa Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.